Hello, dear students. Welcome to the Shree RSC Tutors. Let's learn today addition. Our first question is 234, 899. Let's try to add this question. What should be our answer here? So, let's start it. As we know, this is our ones place, tens place, and hundred place. So we always start our question with our ones place. So let's start that. 4 plus 9 is how much? 4 plus 9 is 13. So from the 13, we will always write 3 over here and 1 will be our carry. Now 1 plus 3 is 4 because we need to add carry as well. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13 again. So we are going to write our 13, but from the 13 we will write 3 and 1 again will be carry. Now 1 plus 2 going to be 3 and 3 plus 8 is going to be 11. So now we will write our answer 11. Now if we will read this answer, so how we can read it in numbers? It's a 1133. Yes, repeat with me. 1133. This is our answer. Now let's move for the next question. So our next question is 598 and 694. Let's try to add this question. How can we add this? As we all know, this is our ones place, this is our tens place, and this is our hundred place. And we always start our question with the ones place. So how can we add it? First, 8 plus 4. What is the 8 plus 4 is 12. So we can write here 2 and 1 will be carry. This is called the carry. Now we need to add this carry in our first number. So 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So from the 19, we are going to write 9 over here and 1 will be again our carry. Now 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is going to be 12. So if we will read our answer, then what is going to be our answer? Our answer is 1292. Come on, repeat with me. 1292. Very good job. Now let's do the next question. So what is our next question? Our next question is 483 and 587. Let's try to add this question. 483 and 587. Now, can you please tell me what will be the ones, tens and hundred digits over here? Can I write ones is this, tens place is this, and hundred place is this? Am I correct? Is that okay? Now let's start addition of that. Always remember we start our addition from the ones place. Now what is the 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10. So from the 10 we will write only 0 and 1 will be our carry. Now 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. From the 17 we will write our 7 and 1 will be the carry. So 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is going to be 10. So now can you tell me what we got our answer? Our answer is yes. Please pause the video and try to read the answer. Our answer is 1070. What is our answer? 1070. This is how we can do 3 digits addition. Very good job. You have done a great job. Thank you so much.